In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fade to an image in Wix Studio. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Wix Studio, you'll be able to follow along easily and add a smooth, professional fade effect to any image on your site. First, log into your Wix account and head to your main dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Setup tab. Near the top right of the screen, you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This will open your site editor in a new page. Give it a moment to load, especially if your site has a lot of content or images. When the editor opens, navigate to the page and section where the image you want to edit is located. You can either scroll through the canvas or use the page navigation panel to find it. Once you see the image you'd like to add a fade effect to, click directly on that image. As soon as you select the image, a floating toolbar will appear near it. This toolbar gives you quick access to various settings related to that specific element. Look for the icon or option labeled Animations and Effects. Click on this, and a small pop-up panel will appear next to your image. Inside this pop-up, make sure you're in the Entrance section or accordion. The entrance settings control how the image appears when a visitor first lands on the page or scrolls to that section. From the list of entrance animations, choose Fade. This will apply a simple fade-in effect to your image. If you're happy with the default fade, you can stop here. But if you want more control over how the effect behaves, click the Customize button at the bottom of the pop-up while fade is still selected. The panel will refresh to show additional options. Here you'll see controls for both duration and delay. Duration is how long the fade effect takes from start to finish, and delay is how long the system waits before starting that animation. You can use the sliders to adjust these values, or type a specific number into the fields next to the sliders if you want precise timing. A shorter duration creates a quick, snappy fade, while a longer one feels smoother and more gradual. Once you're satisfied with the settings, preview your site to see the effect in action, and that's it. You've successfully added a fade effect to an image in Wix Studio.